we are getting closer to the port. If you're talking about the Crusader, the port actually was belonged to the king, not to Genoa, not to Venice, not to anyone else, but to the king. At his time, that area was the custom area, taxed. When you reach the place, you have to pay something, especially when you entered a port. Then, in that case, this is a Han. The Muslims use it as a kind of a hotel for for the people who came to the port with their luggage, with their merchandise. And the horses were at the first floor, and they lived at the second floor. The only problem is that I lost my group, and this is a big problem. I think they're actually heading there, and and they're building now, as I believe, an hotel. And for so many years, it's stuck like that, and no one can enjoy the beautiful columns from Caesarea and for athlete Crusaders places. But as you can see, it's not open to the public. We are at the port of Acre, Akko. It used to be the most important port in Israel at the Crusader time, and the king actually decided to let in or not anyone that he wanted, and there was a chain that closed the port and didn't let anyone that he didn't want to enter the port to enter into it. Look how beautiful it is. I'm together with a group of tour guides studying, because it's a wartime, then no tourists in Israel. Then it's better to study and to spread love. Abu Cristo, a very good restaurant in Acre. I ate there a lot. Look how beautiful it is. Haifa is there. Wanted to see the bay. It's so beautiful. The smell. All the Crusaders, all the pilgrims who came to Israel at the Crusader time came to here, to Akko, not to Jaffa. Autumn and spring were the two important pilgrimage period. In summertime the waves are very high. In winter you can understand that it's too stormy. Look at the bay. Haifa is right there. From Genoa and to Venice, it took them 1.5 months to reach that area. Look how beautiful is the city. At Crusader time, that was the kingdom of the Crusader, not Jerusalem, in the 13th century. The first thing that they actually felt is the smell, horrible smell. Combination of Greek Orthodox Christians, Jews and Muslims. For them it was so different than than in Europe. It was strange for them, and most of them didn't like it. They thought it's going to be more like a Catholic Christian area. When the Crusaders came to here, they they believed that they actually the people here are worship a pagan god by the name Baal Zvuv, and that was the god of Ekron, the Philistines. And then they actually believed that this is Ekron or Acre of Philistine, and that's why it's called Acre as well, though the name of it is Akko, or in Arabic, Acre. Then the peasant people from Pisa, they stay there. And you can see the structure that's been destroyed. I'm not sure what it was, but you can see that it was a massive building. Maybe it was part of the wall of the city of Acre. And Genoa was there. Venice was there. It's like Little Italy, like Little Britain, but of Italy. Such a beautiful place, so relaxful.